Life with me, Gina Marie. We're going to make some peanut butter squares without sugar. We're going to start with 2 cups of organic peanut flour. My husband, the genius and chemist, scientist, he's so smart. He finds these things watching his glucose level. They're like breadcrumbs. We need 2 cups of that flour. You can find that at Amazon.com. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, or more if you like. I use Morton salt. Pure vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon is good. And then we're going to need about 3/4 cup of butter. We're going to melt that. Equal parts to 3/4 cups of the natural peanut butter. Make sure you use all these ingredients to get the outcome. We're going to melt that down too. They taste like peanut butter cups. We're going to use 3 ounces of these sugar-free Chalk Zero sugar-free baking chips. They're sweetened with monk fruit, I believe. We use monk fruit at home to replace all of our sugar needs. Swerve is going to go in the peanut butter mixture with the butter, but it is a confectioner's 0 calories. It's great. It looks just like regular powdered sugar. Let's go. This is shown wrong. I cut the paper too short. I'll show you at the end of the video how it's supposed to be. But you're going to need parchment or wax paper and about an 8x8 tray or tin. Our butter, equal parts to the natural peanut butter. If I would have sprayed that glass with some cooking spray, the peanut butter would have slid right out. But I forgot. There's my salt and the vanilla and my 2 cups of the peanut flour, organic peanut flour. And it is a arthritis breaking thing trying to mix this, I'll tell you, with my arthritis. So throw the confectioner's sugar, Swerve in there, and I'm going to call my husband to help me out. It has to be incorporated very well and form into a consistency of like what you see here, this little pasty ball. Still kind of moist, but it's like dough. And we're going to then get our 8x8 tin or pan, whatever you want to call it, lined with the parchment or with the wax paper. Pop it in the fridge after you dump it in there, and then double boil that chocolate and butter together. Get it ready to put on the top. We took this out of the refrigerator now. And we're getting ready to put the chocolate mixture that we had melted with the butter on top and spread it real good. So make sure you put that bottom peanut mixture in the refrigerator. Take it out and then spread it on. Shake it up. Get it on there good. And we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. At least, if not more. Lift it up. See, I told you I'd show you the bigger piece is better in the end to pull out of the pan. And then we're going to slice it into about 2x2s. He likes it. It's his dessert. I do what he wants. He actually orchestrated all the ingredients here. He did a great job, and he can have them without raising his glucose. He has 1 or 2, and they taste, I'll take a nibble. Like a peanut butter cup. Put them in the refrigerator. I like them in the freezer and enjoy them. Strive to be happy. Please click on like and subscribe.